Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert thumbnail chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it. So firstly you need to select this area, you need to insert the chart. You see here this chart area. So select it and now click on insert. And here you see this chart. So click on this small drop down and here more pie charts. Now you see here so many charts will be shown. So you need to click on this last second thumbnail, this chart. So just click on it. Now click on OK. You see here very easily insert it and you can customize it like here this is style or color. So many options will be there in customize. So this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.